I hope you all are doing good and safe at home. This is a special hello for you. Hope you all like this. Okay, so now I welcome you back to class again. So today you are going to learn which subject? It is know your aptitude. What it is? Know your aptitude. Aptitude is nothing but talent and skill. Okay, the first one is matchstick puzzle. So today we are going to start up with matchstick puzzle. Okay, so here they have given move one matchstick to make below equation correct. So here they have asked you to move only one matchstick. So what you have to do? So which one matchstick you are going to move? So see to that and then let me know. First observe the picture which I have shared on the screen. Observe it and then let me know. So your time starts now, kids. See to the picture carefully. It is 3 plus 3 here they have given 8. So 3 plus 3 is 6, right? But here it is 8. So what are you going to do now? So you are going to move only one matchstick. Observe properly. Okay. I hope you found it. So see here. So this one matchstick, you are going to remove this only one matchstick and you are going to place that matchstick here. See, then if you remove this side will be empty. So it becomes 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. I'll repeat it, kids. Here this matchstick, okay, this matchstick you are going to remove and you are going to place it here. So when you place it here, this 9 will become 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. This 3 will become 5. Okay. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. See here. Correct. So now the equation is correct. So you're going to remove only one matchstick. You're going to move. So there are next one. Here move only one match to fix the equation. Here also the same thing is you're going to move only one matchstick. Okay. Just see to the image carefully and see which matchstick you are going to move. Okay. Just see to the matchsticks which one matchstick you can move and place it in the correct one. The equation 2 should be the answer. The answer you have to get only 2. Which one you are going to change it here? It is really easy. Come on, think. I'll let you know the answer. Before that, you give a try so that it will be easy for you to do this matchstick puzzle. Okay? Come on, give a try. Keep thinking, kids. You can do it. This is all an easy thing. So which one matchstick you can move? Okay, I'll let you know. So you're going to move only one matchstick. Which one? Here. Here you have a plus. Correct. So this plus you're going to place it here. So then it will be 9 minus 7. See. Correct. See. This 1 you are going to remove and here you are going to place it. Then it will be 9. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Am I correct? Correct, no kids. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So here you are going to remove only one matchstick. This plus sign you can see. This one matchstick you are going to remove and you are going to place it over here. Then it will become 9. 5 will become 9. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Okay. So the next one more. So this is an interesting thing. It takes bit time, but still you all can squares using 3 moves. Here you can see 5 square. So can you tell me how you can calculate 5 squares are here? Can anyone let me know? Yes, it is here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the whole one is 5. So now here you can see a 5 square. So now with this, what you're going to do is you're going to make 3 squares in this and moving a 3 matchsticks. So now what you're going to do? So as I told you earlier in last class itself, and I was telling you the same thing, take a book, take matchsticks with the help of your parents. Only you have to take the matchsticks and start making like this. Make a square first. Take 4 sticks and make squares. Like this, make squares. For the last also, for the equation 5 minus 7 is equal to 9 they have given. For that also what you are going to do? 5 minus 7 is equal to 2. So for that you have to make 5 as 9. So take a matchstick, do it 5, arrange with the matchstick's help of a matchstick, arrange it and then do it. The same way here also you are going to do that itself. Okay. So now what you are going to do? So you are going to make here 3 squares using 3 moves. So you are going to move only 3 matchsticks and it should be 3 squares. So what you are going to do now? How you are going to do? It is easy because you have to observe. That is the only thing you have to do. Concentrate. Concentrate, concentrate. Okay, see here, I let you know here what you are going to do is, first you are going to remove this matchstick and you are going to place this side. The same way here also. Okay, so like that you are going to remove one more matchstick and here you are going to place. Then this side you will not find anything. Then it will be what? Here also. 1, 2, 3. Here you are going to move 3 matchsticks and when you place it, it will be a 3. So this is how it looks. See here. So when finally you see that it will be. See here this one matchstick, this 2. See this one you can place it here and this one you can place it here. This one matchstick you can place it here. So only 1, 2, 3. So when you move 3 matchsticks, it will be 1, 2, 3 squares. Okay. See here. Here it was a square. 2 matchsticks was here. So this 2 matchsticks I placed it here. And this 1 matchstick I removed and I kept it here. So now it is 3 squares. Correct. 1, 2, 3. Correct. So now I hope you understood this. Shall we move on to the next one? Are you all ready? You try this. Okay. Take a matchsticks with the help of your parents. You try this and you have to send it to me. Okay. Am I clear? Okay. Come, we'll move on to the next one.